Okay, let's make a pineapple upside down cake. That's some butter, melted butter. Swirl it around in your pan and add some brown sugar. Just sprinkle it on in there. When you get through sprinkling, you can add some pineapple rings. Just keep adding those rings till you get that pan full of them. You can half some of them and put it around the edges. And I'll show you doing that. There we go. Just add them around the edges like that. And once you get those added, then you can add some cherries. If you don't have enough cherries, just use what you got. The store's like 30 miles away, so I didn't go get any more. And then sift some flour and some baking powder and some baking soda and some salt into a bowl. And we're going to just set that aside. Once you get it all sifted out, it don't take long, just longer than you probably want to watch. And then add some butter to a bowl, another bowl, and beat that up and add you some sugar. And then you're going to cream that together. Just beat that up too. Once you get through doing that, then you can add some other things to it and beat it some more. And here we go. That's some eggs we're separating. We're going to add 2 egg whites to that. And we're going to beat it for a long time until it's nice and fluffy and creamy. It'll look real good once you get all that done. And it's going to take a minute. Here we go. Just blend it all together. Blend and blend and blend. Then you're going to add some sour cream. Any minute. Just add some sour cream. And then some vanilla. Some homemade vanilla would be best. I made that vanilla. It's been sitting in a jar for I'm not sure how long. But it's gotten good. And then add you some buttermilk. About 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, something like that. And when you get all that added, you can beat it up some more until it's just incorporated. And then we're going to add some other stuff. Some of your flour and some of the pineapple juice. Got to measure your pineapple juice. Add some flour, then some pineapple juice, and just keep mixing through this whole thing. Then add some flour, and then some pineapple juice, and just keep mixing. Flour, pineapple juice, flour, and mix it till it's all together there. And there's your cake batter. You can take that pan that you had in the fridge and pour that cake batter on top of it. Then you're going to smooth it out. Then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. About halfway through, you're going to tint it with some aluminum foil, just so it don't burn. And then you'll have a pineapple upside down cake. It'll look something like this. Then you take your cake plate and turn it out onto the cake plate. And if one of your pineapples stick, just take it off the pan and put it back on your cake. Something like that. Nobody will know. Except you, because you did it. But no harm, no foul. It's good.